If your calendar is packed out, how do you find time to create content? This is a great one. So let's say you're somebody like me who has, 50 or a lot of meetings per week. And it's like, Jake, how do I find time to create content? For me, I'm gonna give you a couple of quick tips as a part of that. Number one is try to create the content in real time. What I mean by that is, let's say if you're on a sales call and somebody says something really interesting or insightful about your industry, just write it down. Like, I do that all the time. If somebody says something, I'm like, ooh, that'll make a good post, right? I use Evernote personally, but that to me is one of the biggest ways. That way you don't have to have a lot of extra time blocked out in your calendar to actually, create on the side, okay? The second thing that I do is I upgraded my phone. I got the new iPhone that's got the cinematic view, which is just like awesome. And what I do is I started to end my meetings 2 minutes early, or 3 minutes. I mean, that's all I'm talking about, 2 or 3 minutes. And again, if I had a little note here, I've got a little tripod here. There you go, you can see it, it's right there. I just literally turn the camera on and just film a 50-second short real quick. So the key is that I think where a lot of people struggle is coming up with that time of like, to be creative. I instead let my day-to-day work inspire me, and it's plenty creative for me. So that's what I do. I document little notes or things, and then I try to end my meetings a little bit early to just do some quick filming. So that works for me. I hope it helps a lot of you who, again, are trying to think about becoming a creator. You don't have to overthink it. You're talking to customers or potential customers. They're giving you pains and issues and things that are happening. Go share that with other people in the industry, and you'll see a big uptick in people interacting with you, and you'll find yourself creating a lot more content.